I never thought I'd be the guy to betray the woman I love, the mother of my children, my best friend. But I was, and this is my story. Not because I'm proud of it, but because I've learned some of the hardest lessons of my life. And I hope someone out there can learn from my mistakes. It started small. You always think it does, right? An innocent conversation with a coworker that turned into a few inside jokes, then late-night texts, then harmless lunches. I told myself it wasn't a big deal, that it didn't mean anything. But deep down, I knew I was crossing lines I shouldn't have. And then, it happened. I cheated. I made a choice that shattered the trust of the woman who had given me her heart and her life. The guilt hit me immediately, but I pushed it aside. I told myself I could bury it, that no one had to know. But secrets have a way of eating at you, and this one nearly destroyed me. When I told her because I couldn't live with the lie, her face crumpled in a way I'll never forget. It was like I'd taken everything beautiful and sacred between us and thrown it away. The anger, the tears, the silence. It was unbearable, but I deserved every second of it. That's when I realized something I hadn't understood before. Cheating isn't just a moment of betrayal. It's a choice that keeps hurting the person you love over and over again. I wanted to fix it. I wanted to make things right, but I quickly learned that apologies weren't enough. Words didn't mean anything anymore. She didn't want to hear, "I'm sorry." She needed to see that I was willing to change, to do the hard work of earning her trust back. I ended all contact with the other person immediately. I went to therapy, both on my own and with her, to understand why I did what I did. I learned to listen to her pain without getting defensive, without trying to rush her healing, and I stopped thinking about what I wanted and started asking myself, what does she need from me to feel safe again? Here's what I've learned. First, infidelity doesn't happen by accident. It happens because you let your boundaries slip. What starts as harmless can spiral into devastation if you don't stay vigilant. Second, love isn't just a feeling. It's a choice you make every single day. It's choosing your partner even when things get hard, even when temptation comes knocking. And third, trust is fragile. It takes years to build and seconds to break. And once it's broken, rebuilding it takes everything you've got, and then some. If you're listening to this and you're standing at the edge of a line you shouldn't cross, stop. Don't fool yourself into thinking it won't matter. It will. It will hurt the person you love in ways you can't imagine, and it will hurt you too. Today, my wife and I are in a better place. It hasn't been easy. There were days I thought we wouldn't make it, days she didn't think she could forgive me, but we chose to fight for what we had, and slowly we're rebuilding. If my story can save even one marriage, if it can stop one person from making the same mistake I did, then sharing it will have been worth it. You don't have to lose the person you love to learn the lessons I did. Love them, respect them, and choose them every single day. If this story resonated with you, whether you've been hurt or made a mistake, know there's hope. Healing is possible, but it takes effort, humility, and commitment. Don't wait to take the steps to rebuild your relationship or find the support you deserve. If you'd like a free, confidential, one-on-one chat to discuss your situation, click the link in the description. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Ties and Threads for more stories, tips, and tools to strengthen your relationships. Hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Let's keep building stronger, healthier connections together.